Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is a super duper exciting video. I was very much looking forward to it because I'm back in the Philippines. Yay! And to add to that, I'm with my best friend.
Hi guys!
This is Faith Mikiabas and we've been best friends since
high school.
She's also a YouTuber, so follow and check her channel out.
Yes.
And
I do YouTube videos, guys. Faith Mik. M-I-Q lang, guys.
We haven't seen each other for like
2 years? 3?
Is it 3 years? 3 to 4 years. For today's video,
hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin.
I'm gonna do a bag race! Yeah, so...
Exchange?
No. Ikaw lang. Bag race.
Akin lang? Dapat
yeah, kasi channel ko.
Hindi siya interesting.
Halika dito, Liza. Manager namin.
Uy, pati bag mo!
No, bag mo lang.
Ganun ba?
Dali manager namin. Hi guys! This is also a very important and a very special video because I'm gonna do a giveaway later on. Please watch till the end of the video because at the end of the video, we'll be announcing the giveaway and how to join and all the rules. So, let's start. Pakita mo naman bag mo.
Ito, medyo malaki.
Ito ba talaga like everyday bag mo?
Hindi. Everyday bag ko yung pang-work backpack. Malaki yung dinala ko kasi may camera sa loob.
Yes.
G7S. Oh, pero ngayon wala na dyan.
Sige, this is her bag. Why did you choose this bag?
Kasi malaki siya and...
You like big bags or...
Sling bags.
Ako
yes.
din.
I like sling. Dati, shoulder bag, but now I like sling bags.
Shoulder, so before you like this?
Yes.
You carry your bag like this?
Yes.
Ako ayoko.
Kapag masakit na. Kung masakit kasi sumasakit.
Because I don't like carrying heavy bags. So, when I buy a bag, kailangan yung bag pa lang as in super gaan yun. That's why I like long shop.
Ako ay buy bags online kaya hindi ko alam yung weight ng bags. Kaya yun.
Where did you buy this bag?
I got this online from Instagram. Bags for grabs in Instagram. So go check her out.
And how long have you had this bag?
For a year now. I've had this since last year. Yes. Paminsan-minsan lang kasi nga medyo mabigat siya and medyo malaki. So ano to? Ikaw yung kukuha ako.
And I'm still
Eh,
ikaw na lang. Pakita ko muna yung loob. Medyo organized siya, guys. Ayan, organized.
Kasi konti na yung laman.
Sige, go. Paano ka ba mag-bag? Heavy ka ba or light? Dinadala mo ba lahat ng gamit mo?
Hindi. Dinadala ko lang kung ano yung necessary for that day. Like today.
Okay, so today, let's see what's necessary.
Ako daw. Ikaw daw. Sige.
So first, sa pockets muna tayo. Start natin ang pockets. So ito, first, may alcohol siya. Ito yung alcohol niya. And ayan. Bakit ito yung alcohol mo?
Kasi maliit and hindi ako mapili sa alcohol. But as long as it's 70%.
Bakit? So educate us. Kasi nurse siya, guys. Ako hindi pa alam.
Kasi mas strong siya compared to, I think, my 40%. So if you want na talagang disinfectant, so go for the 70%.
Okay. Ay, isopropyl or ito may iba? Ethyl alcohol. O bakit ethyl?
Hindi ako mapili. So ito lang yung nakuha ko. Kasi mabato to eh. Compared to other alcohols, yung casino, I hate casino.
Ano ba yung akin? Yung green?
Green Cross. Okay din yung Green Cross.
Ay, mabango yun.
Yes,
yung my moisturizing effect.
Yung yung
hand sanitizer.
Yes, I don't like hand sanitizer.
I don't like hand sanitizers. Ako din kasi medyo malagkit. Then next is my baby wipes siya.
Yeah. And tingnan mo, it's also alcohol gel.
Bakit ito?
Baby wipes kasi para safe siya para dun sa atin. Every time, when nature calls.
So, nagdadala ka talaga?
Yes. Whenever I travel. Pag nasa bahay lang, meron din ako sa kwarto ko yung malaki.
Itong brand talaga?
Any brand, as long as it's for baby.
For baby. Next is...
Nakakahiya.
May ano siya?
Yes.
Uy, may call.
May call. Teka lang.
Wait lang, guys. Okay, let's continue. Sino yun? Okay, so ito. Let's see. What's inside?
Ito.
Okay.
Yes. I wear glasses, guys, because I can't see.
And then we just recently discovered na same na kami ng grade.
125. Pero you wear glasses since high school.
Since high school, but that was only 75. So medyo
correctional. Ano ka ba? Nearsighted?
Near.
Oh, nearsighted din.
Kasi sa kaka-edit yan.
Kaka-edit.
Okay, next is this one, the wallet.
Yeah, it's my wallet.
I saw your video about ano yun, yung parang
haul.
Oh,
yeah.
I like this wallet actually.
Nakakahiya naman.
Ay, sige, open natin. Buksan natin.
Okay.
Dami niyang cash, guys.
Hindi.
Dami niyang cash. Tapos may mga ano pa. May mga ito.
Hindi ko yun tinatanggal.
Makash ka.
Oo. Hindi ako makard.
Pero may cards ka. May cards siya.
For emergency purposes lang. At saka ID lang. ID, mga rewards cards.
Rewards cards. Ano to? Ay,
Get
Go.
Go.
May Get Go din ako.
Yes.
Tapos ito, video rewards. Tapos may PRC.
SNR.
Medyo mabigat ang wallet
Kasi
niya.
maraming coins.
Hindi ko pa ginagamit. Like, you don't use the coins in pay.
I use the coins when I'm at work. I don't pay paper bills with me at work. Why?
Wala lang.
Kasi hindi naman ako magastos sa work. Usually yung mga, ano lang, mga street foods, mga gano'n.
Ang dami talaga
Ang dami ko
coins.
ng coins.
Dalawang, ang tama-tama. Dalawang pockets.
That's why I like this wallet. Kasi may,
it is nice. Why blue?
Wala lang.
Ako gusto ko
For a change, kasi palagi lang black, tsaka tan. So,
Gusto ko red.
Talaga?
Yeah. Kasi
Really?
sweater daw red.
Pero hindi siya bagay sa mga, maybe because you're in Japan.
Gusto ko lang din ng red kasi sa loob ng bag, makikita mo siya kagad.
Yeah.
Kita ko.
Tagay.
Dami talagang coins. Kasi ako, I use coins talaga in pay kasi it's red.
Hindi.
So wala masyadong...
Nangongolekta ako ng coins, guys, para sa work.
Okay. Ito na yung vlogging, ano niya.
Naka-ziplock
Naka-ziplock siya. It's all tools for vlogging. So, organized siya, guys. Ayan. She has two
extra batteries.
Two extra. Tapos,
Charger.
Ayun, tingnan nyo. May ano talaga, cord talaga, guys. Amazing. And then, headset. Oh, ayan, naka-coil talaga siya.
Oh, kasi dapat ganun para hindi siya masira agad. Yung follow the contour. Talaga.
Ako, can I,
Yes.
Ako, I do it like this.
Talaga? Parang masisira agad.
Hindi naman. Not like this. Like that. Ayan. Ganito ako
Okay din.
extra memory card. Ilang gig?
32 lang.
32.
Hindi daw maganda na gumamit ng malaki.
Ako din 32 lang naman. So, ano pa?
Next.
Uy, may ano siya. May
desikal.
Bakit?
Wala. For safety purposes ng bag. Totoo din kasi yan eh.
Talaga?
Feeling ko. Natanggal mo ba?
Oo.
Kahanap nga ako ng mga ganyan eh, para ilalagay ko sa
Next! Ito!
Sanitary pads. Sorry.
Kasi, alam niyo na, we're girls. Bakit dalawa? Bakit ibang brand?
Ay, may dalawa ko. Yun lang yung nakuha ko dun sa bahay eh.
Pero ano ko, with wings? Oh, with
wings. Always with wings.
long or thin? Ano?
For nighttime.
Talaga.
Night pads yan.
Kahit daytime.
Oo.
Ako din.
Kasi mas mahaba siya eh. And mas safe.
And then, ako talaga ang sobrang dali kong mag-cake.
Ako din. Wala nata akong babaeng na nakilala na parang hindi nila gusto yung with wings eh. Hindi nila gusto yung without wings.
Friend ako na gusto without wings.
Talaga?
Kasi
Na-irritate?
Na-irritate yung thighs niya. So ito. And then,
Sisters
ano
mo des.
Sister
Front back.
Ay! Akala ko yun na yun kasi wala nang laman dito. Dala-dala mo talaga yung card.
Hindi ko tinatanggal.
Ako din actually. May mga airports na kasi ayaw nila ng counterfeit products.
Yeah. In Japan?
In Japan and in Australia.
I didn't know that.
Bawal ang counterfeit. So, always bring with you your
authenticity card.
Yes.
Okay.
Lalo na mga Gucci product. Andun talaga sa airport. Now, we don't allow these kinds of goods to be transported. May iba talaga na kinukuha ng nagdadala ng counterfeit sa airport, tapos nakita ng immigration or ng staff, tapos i-check. Tapos pag na-prove na counterfeit, they have to get it. Diba? Now I know. Mga strict na airports like Australia. Lalo na sa Europe, guys. They're trying to protect their brands.
Yes. Okay din naman. Yeah.
Pero sa Pinas, wala naman.
Wala.
Okay lang. Okay, and then here, may isang pocket. Ayan. Bakit ka natawa?
Nahihiya ako.
Okay, may comb siya na parang medyo matagal-tagal na talagang nagamit.
Sobrang tagal na niya.
High school parang hindi naman.
High school pa to. Ay, hindi college to. May isa ako na since 40 years high school, nandun sa bike kasi medyo malaki siya.
Bakit yan? Gusto mo yung feel?
Lolo. Kasi parang ikatol food.
Pangkamot na din
sa pangkamot yun.
And then next, oh, I like you. You have band-aid. Ayan.
Kasi baka ano yun?
Paslot? Even English.
Basta yun na yun.
Kasi pag bago yung sapatos.
Kapag bago.
Yeah.
Pero kahit hindi bago eh, kapag hindi ako, pag maliit yung
Hindi na break
ko,
in.
yung
Ako, pag ako niyan, hindi ko na sinusot yung sapatos. Tinatapon ko na lang, hindi ko na lang.
talaga, long, sayang naman.
Hindi naman mahal yung mga sapatos ko. Yan. Iwas, ano tawag dyan, guys? Pag-comment naman down below. And the next is this one. What's this?
It's my power bank.
Kala ko phone. Wow, ang nice ng power bank niya, rose gold. Where did you get this?
So, Babin. We got up to 3 charges at the 3 full charges.
And then,
yan, hair ties.
dami niya hair ties. Grabe. Gamit ko talaga to.
Yes.
No? So, may dala ka talagang hair ties.
No, kasi mainit.
And then, may ano siya, mini perfume na Chloe. Alam ko mahilig ka sa perfume.
Oh, medyo.
Pero ano talaga favorite perfume?
Versace na bright crystal.
Anong scent yung gusto mo?
Sweet.
Citrus.
Oh, yung feminine
Rose.
talaga. Oh,
Gusto ko citrus, like green tea or lavender.
green tea, okay sa akin. Floral scent gusto ko eh.
Pero hindi din ako nagbabaon ng perfume. Ano lang, natural scent. May laman pa.
Wala na, ito na lang. Yun lang.
Wala na.
Maliit lang, hindi siya interesting.
Ayan.
Hindi din ako nagdadala ng makeups eh.
Oo nga,
Hindi ako
wala siyang
nagre-retouch.
makeup. Oo, same tayo. Hindi na ako nagre-retouch.
Kasi kapag nagkikiki na, nire-remove ka na talaga. Kasi ang bigat sa bag kapag magdala ka pa. Hindi din ako nagdadala kahit lipstick.
Oo nga, wala siyang lipstick. Wala
Yes.
siyang makeup. Grabe siya, guys. Like, I can't believe. Ako, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-retouch.
Pero may lipstick ka.
Pero may lipstick and
And
lip
yung
gloss.
makeup products, ako wala.
Walang pagkilay, walang
Powder.
Wala. May powder, pero hindi ko naman ginagamit. But I have oil control.
Ah, okay. Wala ko.
Okay, so guys, so we've reached the end of the video, and now I'm going to announce the most important part of my video. It's the giveaway.
Yay! Giveaway! Hindi ko alam yan na nakalimutan ko.
Ano sabi ko sa'yo?
I forgot that she's doing a giveaway today.
So, it's my balikbayan giveaway or something.
So, mostly Japanese products.
Yes, Japanese products lahat. Sorry for the bag. Wala kasing bag sa bahay, but I will buy another bag. What's inside? First is you're gonna get this. Oh, ayan. That's it. So, this is the mascara, and then this is the mascara remover. And then next is, ayan, the Bayora UV Aqua Rich Waterproof. But this is watery gel. Kasi yung sa iyo, parang different yung consistency, but it's the same brand, it's the same line. You're also gonna get this heavy rotation eye designer.
What's
So,
that?
para siyang eyeshadow na stick
eyeshadow.
Stick eyeshadow na glitter. You're also gonna get this THC Deep Cleansing Oil. This is sikat sa Japan, and this is limited edition because ano siya, parang Disney yung theme. My Ariel, my Cinderella,
What's
Snow
that?
White, Rapunzel. Ano siya? Oil cleanser. Nag-oil cleanser ka ba?
I've never heard of a cleansing oil before. Paano yung gamitin?
Like micellar or...
Oh.
Yeah, cleansing oil. Kasi na may melt yung makeup. Kasi sikat sa Japan, and then nakita ko siya. This is really popular in Japan. So, ayan. Ito yung ano niya, yung cleansing oil. Some prefer cleansing oil, some prefer water-based. So, if you wear thick makeup, I think it's...
Okay, ano.
But this is not the real packaging. The original packaging is this one. And then next, you're also gonna get...
Dami!
You're also gonna get this one. This is my favorite. This is the Heavy Rotation Eyebrow Mascara in Natural Brown. Next one is these face masks. This is vitamin C, and then this is hyaluronic face mask. This is kind of popular also in Japan. And then you're also gonna get one chocolate, of course.
Wow!
Chocolate. Okay, and then also this, I think I gave you.
Yeah, I love that.
You're gonna get everything if you join our giveaway. And then will be, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. You're gonna get 9 items inside this goodie bag. If you wanna join my giveaway, here's the rules. First is you like this video, and then comment down below the name of your best friend.
Okay.
So that you can participate. That's rule number 2. And then rule number 3, subscribe to my channel. Rule number 4, subscribe to Faith's channel.
Yes.
And rule number 5, follow our Instagram accounts. Dapat both. Yeah, host. So what's your Instagram account?
That's JPT25, guys.
And then my Instagram account is @candycat. So make sure to follow all the rules, and we'll again state the rules down in the description box in case you forget. Isang winner na lang, guys. And
so it will run for
until August 17th. We'll announce the winner in August 17th.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, no, thank you for Thank you for the bad grade. Again, don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel, and follow Faith and subscribe to her channel as well to be able to participate in this giveaway. Thank you!
Bye!